Hello everyone, my name is Dan from DKBrickStudios, and today we are looking at and building Moloch Speeder from Solo, a Star Wars story. So yeah, this is Moloch Speeder. It's a nice model, but I'm not going to go into all this because it's actually my Moloch Spotlight, which you can take a look at. Also, my Build Talk video with this, where you can also take a look at that. Not that there's not much good. That's all at the end of the video. That'll be at the end of the video, also carded about the video. So yeah, we started looking at the. Let's take a look at the views and get started, shall we? Let's. This is the front, the back, the left, the right, the bottom, and the top. Now, before we get started the tutorial, please check out my links in the description down below to all my socials, and check out my friend's novel, Rise. It is a great novel. I would highly recommend it for any sci-fi fan. So without any further ado, let's get started. I forgot to open that, but hey, that's just me. So, our first step is going to be needing a 4x10 and two 2x4x2s. Yeah, okay then. That is what you need for the first step. Now, you're going to see that I'm going to put all the pieces are going to be here. If you need reference to any other parts, just take a quick look over to the side. You'll be able to see all the pieces. And I'll be going for all the steps that are on here. You'll just be seeing them all visible on the other one. So now we're going to need a 4x6 and a 4x8. Didn't go as planned, placing as a plan, but I can move that easily. Place that right there. And you want something that looks like this. Now on step 3, we're going to add slider plates, as I like to call them. Help make your model slide along, Smooth on the bottom, We're going to put one here, 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 and here. So yeah, that's how you should have it. And this is what it should look like so far. Now step 4, we're going to be adding a 2x6, 1x6, a 1x4 modified brake plate, a 1x2 modified brake, and a 1x4. So yeah, we're going to get these added, and we're going to go and we're going to start adding more detail to the vehicle. Probably the front. So yeah, probably the front. And then the 4x6, 1x6. So yeah, that's how that should look. Now we're going to need a 4x2, and a 1x2. We're going to need a plate. And a round plate here as well. So that's what should look like right now. And we're going to need to add a 1x2 and 2 different round plates. So it's going to need to be in black. Now, if you can't do these round tiles, do round plates. I'm not doing that. I'm doing these. Highly would recommend that if you can't do one of those pieces. Highly would recommend. Highly would recommend. Now we're adding the front to it. We're adding a little bit of a grill look to it to give it that look of, like it's a grill, I was trying to find out a good word for it. We'll put 2 facing up like that, facing vertically, and then 2 facing horizontally like that. So you want it like that. Now we're going to want to tile up here. Oh wait, hang on one quick second. Okay, I just had to fix something. It was not in the right place. It should have been in the steps, but I had to fix it. So now we are going to continue on. That's what we see, so we're going to need, I click that color. A tile 1 by 6. Plate 1 by 1. Plate 1 by 3. If you can't do a plate 1 by 3, do a plate 1 by 1 and a 1 by 2. It will do perfect. And we got these 2 grill pieces here. So, oh no, wait, we gotta have one more thing. A piece and a 1 by 1 right there. So yeah, that's all we have to do right now for this step. That's what we're doing right now. We're adding these bricks here. We'll do a 1 by 1 here and a 1 by 1 here. 5 brick here and here. And then we're going to need 2 tile pieces here and here. And here and here. Add 2 1 by 4s on each side. And a 1 by 6 back here. Okay, then this might seem like a lot, but it isn't really. Okay, then we're going to add a 1 by 4 in here. 1 by 3 will go in here. My goodness. 1 by 2s will go in here. 1 by 2, 1 corner bricks will go there. And 1 by 4 will go here. So like that, basically. Do what you want. Okay, this is what we're going to need to do now. Bring these up. And attach those onto there. And now we'll be needing to add. I'm nowhere near it. Now I am. 1 by 2. Just making sure I haven't used it yet. 1 by 2 and a 1 by 1. Like so. Oh, and also brick. And then we'll need this here. And modified this and that. Like so. Now we're adding that on. We'll be needing 2 1 by 1 plates. Follow it up by a 1 by 2. Now we'll be adding a 4 by 6. Up here. along with the little pieces, both here and here, along on this side, like so. Now we're just tiling her up. Or 1 by 1, and then we're going to obviously need a plate 1 by 2. And a plate 1 by 1. So yeah, there we go. There. Oh no, wait, nope, not yet. We forgot. Almost forgot one very important piece. The engines. We'll add 2 1 by 3s. I know I could just switch over, but I'm just gonna show you it here. You'll need 2 1 by 2s here and here, and a round plate. If you can't do this, just put a 1 by 1 brick. A 1 by 1 tile. You'll be good. And yeah, there we go. Now we're good. There we go, Moloch Speeder. It kind of looks like a skull. But yeah, there we go. Moloch Speeder. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I am Damien from DKBrickStudios. Signing off. Remember, may the force and the force of others be with you always. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Yeah, see you all in the next tutorial. Or video, yeah, see you in the next video. Birds of a feather, well weathered together, chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.